Okay. Oh, Valerie, she needs a volunteer. Can you go help her do her shuffle steps? No. All right, Maddie. It's all you, baby.
Okay. Shuffle. Now we're going to do I love chocolate. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. Yes, I do. I love chocolate. Yes, I do. Now, let's do I love milk.
Ooh, look at those fancy moves. You're getting faster.
Change your clothes, give her a bath.
Yeah, we'll give her a bath when you're done feeding her.
What?
Where's your dance moves? Show me some more sweet dance moves.
I help you. Okay, wait, we have to start over.
Go help Sis, because I want to see.
No, wait.
Okay.
So in the finale of this show, I need one volunteer to come here.
There's your volunteer.
To come up here.
Boo Boo, go volunteer. Says me, pick me.
You can't say that. Pick me.
Boo Boo wants you to pick her, Maddie. Okay, girls, show me what you got.
Okay. And we're getting it.
You are getting it all over yourself.
Are you going to do a split? Almost. Boo Boo can do a split.
No, I can really do split.
Do you? Woo! You hit your head and you're about to rip your legs.
I think I broke my pinky.
Madison.
I did a picture of you.
You want to take a picture of me?